If you're experiencing billing holds on your Binance account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you understand the process to remove these holds effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Binance account by entering your credentials on the Binance website or app. Ensure you are using the correct account associated with the billing hold. Step 2. Check notifications. Once logged in, navigate to the notifications section. Look for any alerts or messages related to the billing hold, as these can provide specific reasons for the hold and necessary actions to take. Step 3. Verify your identity. If required, complete any identity verification processes. This may involve uploading identification documents or confirming your identity through two-factor authentication. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Step 4. Review payment methods. Go to the payment method section in your account settings. Check if the payment method associated with your account is valid and has sufficient funds. Update or add a new payment method if necessary. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the hold persists after taking the above steps, reach out to Binance customer support. Provide them with details regarding the hold and any actions you have already taken. They can assist you further in resolving the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to remove billing holds on your Binance account efficiently. If problems continue, keep in touch with customer support for ongoing assistance.